Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to duplicate a section in Shopify. Duplicating sections can help you quickly replicate layouts and contents. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin. To do so, go to google.com, then search for shopify.com. After you enter the website, enter your account credentials and log in. And that's it. You're on your Shopify account dashboard. Now, in the left hand sidebar, click on Online Store, then go to Themes. After that, click on Customize your current theme. Click on this button right here. Now, find the section you want to duplicate. You can either scroll through the list of sections on the left hand side, or you can choose it from the display of your page. I'm gonna choose this one. Now to duplicate it, hover over the section, then go to this icon right here. It says duplicate on it. And just like that, you've duplicated a section. A copy of the section will appear in your layout and you can customize it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a section in Shopify. This makes it easier to maintain consistent design throughout your store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.